Welcome to Premier Cars. Today, we're exploring the pinnacle of luxury travel with the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. This masterpiece combines Kenworth's legendary trucking performance with high-end motorhome sophistication. If you're passionate about luxury on wheels, this is a must-see. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive reviews. Let's dive in. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome boasts a striking exterior that commands attention. Built on the renowned Kenworth T410 chassis, it features a robust and aerodynamic design, ensuring both durability and fuel efficiency. Sleek lines and chrome accents. The motorhome's sleek lines and chrome accents provide a modern yet timeless aesthetic. LED lighting system. Equipped with advanced LED headlights and taillights, it ensures optimal visibility and safety during night drives. Integrated storage solutions. Multiple exterior compartments offer ample storage for all your travel gear, ensuring a clutter-free interior. Under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is powered by a PACCAR MX 13 12.9L turbocharged diesel engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. This robust engine ensures a smooth and powerful ride, capable of handling long-distance travel with ease. Transmission. A 12-speed automated manual transmission (AMT) provides seamless gear shifts, enhancing driving comfort. Towing capacity. With a towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds, you can bring along additional vehicles or trailers without compromising performance. Fuel efficiency. Despite its power, the motorhome is designed for optimal fuel efficiency, making it both a powerful and economical choice for travelers. Step inside to experience a blend of luxury and functionality. The interior is thoughtfully designed to provide all the comforts of home while on the road. Spacious living area, featuring premium leather seating, a large sofa, and a dining area, the living space is perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Gourmet kitchen. The fully equipped kitchen includes a full-size refrigerator, a 3-burner stove, an oven, and a microwave, allowing you to prepare meals just like at home. Master bedroom. A full bedroom with a comfortable bed, ample storage, and ambient lighting ensures restful nights. Bathroom amenities. The motorhome boasts a full bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet, providing all the conveniences of home. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance your travel experience. Infotainment system. A large infotainment system with navigation keeps you connected and on track during your journeys. Wi-Fi hotspot. Stay connected with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to work or stream entertainment on the go. Smart controls. Easily manage lighting, climate, and security systems through integrated smart controls. Safety is paramount, and this motorhome is equipped with lane departure warning. Alerts you if you unintentionally drift out of your lane. Adaptive cruise control. Maintains a safe distance from vehicles ahead by adjusting speed automatically. Collision mitigation system. Detects potential collisions and applies brakes if necessary to prevent accidents. Understanding that travelers have unique needs, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome offers various customization options. Interior layouts. Choose from different floor plans to suit your lifestyle, whether you need extra sleeping quarters or expanded living spaces. Luxury finishes. Select from a range of high-quality materials and finishes to personalize your motorhome's interior. Off-grid features. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, optional solar panels and enhanced water storage allow for extended off-grid living. Powerful performance. The robust engine and chassis design ensure reliable and powerful travel capabilities. Luxury interiors. High-end materials and thoughtful design provide a comfortable and upscale living experience. Advanced safety features. State-of-the-art safety systems offer peace of mind during your travels. Size and maneuverability. Due to its substantial size, driving and parking in urban areas may be challenging. Fuel consumption. While designed for efficiency, the powerful engine may result in higher fuel consumption compared to smaller motorhomes. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome represents the epitome of luxury and performance in the motorhome market. Its combination of powerful engineering, sophisticated interiors, and advanced technology makes it an excellent choice for those seeking to travel without compromising on comfort or style. If you're ready to experience the ultimate in road travel, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome awaits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Premier Cars for more in-depth reviews and the latest in luxury vehicles. Safe travels.